Are you interested in pursuing a career that is focused on beauty and fashion? If you are, have you started to examine your career options yet? If you haven't, you will soon find that you have a number of different options. One of those options is to start your own beauty salon business. When it comes to owning and operating a beauty salon, there are many hopeful owners who wonder if it is really possible to do. Of course, starting any business can be a stressful and trying time, but it is more than possible for you to develop and run your own profitable beauty salon. If you would like to learn more about how you can go about doing so, should you wish to do so, you will want to continue reading on. Before deciding to open your own beauty salon, there are a number of important factors that you may want to take into consideration first. One of those factors is your vision for your business. Do you want to start out small, like start out of your home, or do you want to start with your own storefront location? If you would prefer to start your own beauty salon as a traditional business, not necessarily one that is a home-based one, you will want to examine all available locations. You need to carefully choose the location for your business. Be sure to choose a location that can accommodate you and all of your space needs, as well as one that does not have a lot of competition nearby. Another factor that you may want to take into consideration is your beauty and fashion knowledge and experience. While a large number of individuals who wish to open their own beauty salons have a love for beauty and fashion, not all do. If you haven't worked for a beauty salon before, or if you haven't attended beauty school or even just taken a beauty training course, you may want to think about doing so before you start your business. Yes, there is a good chance that you will end up hiring your own workers and they can have most of the knowledge, but you will at least want to be familiar with the business that you run. Startup costs are another factor that should be taken into consideration when trying to determine if you can make a living running your own beauty salon. Most businesses have startup costs, but it can be kind of expensive to get a beauty salon up and running. In addition to building space, you will also need to purchase other fixtures and supplies. There is a good chance that you will need a receptionist's desk, hair care stations, nail care products, and possibly even tanning beds. These pieces of equipment can get fairly costly, but is there financing assistance out there for you, should you need it? As a reminder, running your own beauty salon is just one of the many careers that you can have that is focused on beauty, in one way or another. However, if you have your heart set on running a beauty salon, it should be more than possible for you to do so. Before you get started though, it is important that you take the time to familiarize yourself with all local, state, and federal laws concerning small businesses.